Hey everybody, this is the OnePlus 6 in silk white. Let's check it out. Alright, you guys can see here I have the OnePlus 6, the speed you need. It's the usual OnePlus 6 box here. Nothing really special here. I'm just going to cover up some of this information here. But this is the silk white variant. I still need to take off the plastic here. Boom, there we go. So largely it looks the same here on top. I'm just going to put the phone off to the side here. You're going to get the exact same things inside here as with any other OnePlus. You're going to get your dash charger, your plug-in here, the cable here. Inside here you're going to have a TPU skin. This one is clear as opposed to the black variant of the OnePlus 6. And notice that it comes kind of a smoke color. This one's clear. And of course there's also a SIM ejection tool there for you guys. So let's just do that all up. And we'll put this off to the side. So here is the silk white OnePlus 6 in all its glory. Let's take off this plastic. Everybody hold for the sound. Just like that. Taking that off, and look at that. That is really something. So it's like, it's a slight pink, you know, kind of accents. Again, down here it says designed by OnePlus. I'm not sure if you guys can see that because of the reflection. Everything is kind of nicely accented here. You got your mute switch here, power switch. Then you've got your volume rocker right here. Again, really gorgeous, really nice. Again, that's a glass back, but of course no wireless charging. We all know about that and the controversy. But that looks really, really nice. It doesn't look like it's going to pick up fingerprints too terribly. But I'll be honest with you, I'll probably slap a case on this. I'll probably put that clear case that came inside the box here. So there you guys go. That is the unboxing of the OnePlus 6 in silk white. Gorgeous, looks great. So what do you guys think of the OnePlus 6 in silk white? I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I've always liked the white variants of the phones that they bring out. I think it has a great look, nice accents, and you know, I know I'm gonna put a case on it right away, but hey, it's kind of limited edition, looks great. And kind of give you guys some contrast here. Here is the midnight black version of the OnePlus 6. Gives you an idea of what the colors are like there. So this one is actually going back. This one I'm holding on to. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys like the content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting the subscribe button as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers.